morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
In module 1, already we discussed about the layers of the earth. How many layers are there?
3 layers.
What are the 3 layers?
Crust, mantle, core.
Which is the solid one?
Crust.
Okay, solid layer is the crust. The top layer is the crust. Again, this crust is divided into 2 parts. Already we discussed that 2 parts. First one is the continental crust. This is the continental crust. This is, what is this one?
Oceanic crust.
Oceanic crust. This is the oceanic crust. And here thickness is vary. Oceanic crust is only 5 kilometers. Continental crust extended till here. So it is the 35 kilometers. Next, the second layer. What is the second layer?
Mantle.
Mantle. Here we can see liquid magma. Liquid magma. Next, third layer is
Core.
core. Third layer is
Core.
here the temperature is more. Temperature nearly 6000 degrees we can see here. So yesterday in detail we discussed about 3 layers. Now we can see here where rocks we can see in these 3 layers. Where you can see the rocks?
Crust.
Crust. We can see rocks in the crust. So this crust is made up of rocks. The crust is made up of
Rocks.
And here human life also survive, plant life also survive, living survive on the crust. Okay. So in detail in this module you will learn about the today rocks and minerals. In detail you will learn this module rocks and minerals. Now first we will see the rocks. What are the rocks? You saw any time rocks?
Yes.
Yes. Rocks are in same color?
No.
Same size?
No.
Are they, how they are soft and hard? The rocks?
Hard.
All are hard rocks only?
Mostly.
Mostly hard rocks and soft rocks also are there. Okay. So here why you want to learn what is the importance of the rocks and minerals? Did you know any importance of rocks and minerals? Why you want to learn about the topic?
No, teacher.
Okay. So here we'll see the rocks. They are useful to us in the construction. Suppose we'll take the example, live example, our house only we'll see. Any rocks are there in your house?
Yes, ma'am. Granite, marble.
Very good. Granite. You can see our flooring. Best example is the flooring. Some houses the flooring is made with the granite, some with the white marble. Next we'll see the kitchen. The kitchen platform is there, no? The platform is made with which rock?
Granite.
Granite. Very good, children. Okay, so some rocks, when they are in the heart, we are using in our house only. Okay. Next one, minerals. Did you know minerals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So your mother will prepare delicious food, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Without salt, can you?
No.
Then salt is a
Mineral.
Salt is a
Mineral.
Water also
Mineral.
So here daily you come through so many rocks are there, minerals in daily our life, but we don't know which are the rocks or which are the minerals. Okay. Now I will give the definition of the rocks. So here rocks means mineral particles. Mineral particles come together and they form solid. That is called the rocks. You understand the definition of the rocks, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mineral particles collect together. Mineral particles collect together and they form the solid. That is called the rocks. These rocks are 2 types. Hard rocks and
Soft rocks.
Hard rocks and soft rocks. Where they are available, we'll see here. Already we know the layer of the crust here. Oceanic crust is there and ocean crust is there, continental crust is there. Okay. So here the crust is made up of the rocks. 90% of rocks are available in the crust only. Again this continental crust divided into 2 layers. Top layer, this is called upper layer. Second layer is called lower layer. So here I told rocks are 2 types, no? Hard rocks and
Soft rocks.
soft rocks. Imagine you say hard rocks you can see in upper layer or lower layer.
Lower layer.
You imagine
Upper layer.
upper layer. So here example. See this one. You saw in your house this one anytime? Your mother.
Is that a potato, ma'am?
No, it is not a potato. It is the granite stone. So your mother used to prepare any to paste the masala. To paste the masala.
It's hard, ma'am.
Yeah, it is a hard. See, in my hand is there one more. This also.
Chalk piece.
Yeah, this also come under the rock only. This is hard or soft rock?
Soft rock.
Soft. Now you got idea now?
Yes, ma'am.
Both rocks are in the same color?
No.
No. So the rocks are different in color. They are different in
Color.
Texture also, formation also different. Formation also different. So some rocks are very hard like a granite marble. Some rocks are very soft. Very soft. Clay. You saw any time clay?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you will go to fruit market or vegetable market, that sellers they will write the price on the slate, no? You know the slate?
Yes.
They will mention the prices, no?
Yes.
That slate has an example, soft rock. Okay. These sharp rocks, these are the soft rocks. Okay. Now we'll see these are rocks based on the formation. Based on the formation, they are divided into three types of rocks. Based on formation. Based on the formation. They are called igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. In detail, now we'll discuss of the rocks. See here the types of rocks. Next one, how they form. The formation. Next one, we'll see the what they have the characteristics. Now we'll see the types of rock. First one is the igneous rocks. First one is the igneous rock. So here it is came from the Latin word igneous. This word came from the Latin word. Igneous means here fire. It came from the fire. How it came from the fire? This rocks formation. Once I will show you here. This is the surface of the earth. Okay. Now you see here. What is this ma'am? Anytime you observe these pictures.
Volcano.
Yeah, volcano. They will come from the which layer? These volcanoes coming from the which layer?
Magma.
Yeah. Mantle layer. They will come from the
Mantle layer.
It is solid or
liquid.
Liquid. This is a liquid. Magma is a liquid. So here, like this, the liquid magma will come out. It will come out. This come out one liquid is called. What is this name?
Magma.
Inside it is called magma. When it is coming red.
Lava.
Very good. This is called lava. This is called
lava.
Lava. Like this. So here, when the lava it came out on surface of the earth. It came on surface of the earth. It cools. It cools and solid. Now it is in liquid form now. Liquid form, later it become a solid. Later it will become a solid. Then it form the rock. It form the rock. Solid rocks. Sometimes lava cool inside the earth only. Sometimes lava. This is the boundary line, you see. Okay. So some lava came out and it cooled down. But some lava is sometimes inside only. It is inside only. Slowly it is cooling and it makes as a solid. It makes rocks. Okay. So here some rocks are forming on surface of the earth. Some rocks on the beneath the earth. These rocks are called primary rocks. These rocks are called primary rocks. Why these rocks are called primary rocks? Because here the sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks, these both rocks are forming from these rocks. You understand why these rocks are called primary rocks? So next what we will discuss, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic both are formed from the igneous rocks. That's why these are the primary rocks. So these rocks are forming because of the when the lava is coming out on the so these rocks are may form on surface of the earth, otherwise beneath the earth. When they are on the surface of the earth, the lava cooled down and a solid form. It is called the extrusive rocks. These rocks are called extrusive rocks. When the lava is cooled below the earth surface, then these rocks are called intrusive rocks. These rocks are called intrusive. Here only is there. Extrusive means outside. Intrusive means inside. Next we will see These rocks are very hard. These rocks are very hard. Now we are discussing every time Deccan Plateau, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Deccan Plateau. That is this rocks only. Lava in the Deccan Plateau million years back, lava came out and it cooled down. Like this, the rocks were formed. They are very hard. Now I showed this one, no? This rock. It is very hard. These rocks are very hard. Next one, they are the crystal like. Okay, here see this crystal you see here. Got example, no?
Yes,
These
ma'am.
are the crystal like, and most of the crust, this we can see the crust made with the large percent. On the crust we can see these rocks are the large percent. Next one, where we can use these rocks? Where you can use the, now only I gave the example in houses, means construction mainly they are used in the construction, the buildings, in houses. Next one, construction the roads, metal, small gravel metals they will use now, that is made with the granite only. So construction of the roads, construction of the houses, industries, in the construction they are the good material. These rocks are the good material. Okay, next one we will see the second type of rocks. They are called sedimentary rocks. This word also came from the Latin. The sedimentary means settlement. So here how these rocks are formed, they are came from the igneous rocks. Okay, see here how they form these rocks. See here, suppose these are the mountains are there. Okay, so here what happened million years, these rocks, the mountains are hit by wind, otherwise rain, otherwise ice, otherwise sometimes the rivers, the source of the river. Where is the source of the river? Where the rivers will start?
Himalayas or
Okay,
plateaus.
mountains. So the source of the river is mountain. The source of the river is mountain. So like this mountain is there. Here ice. We can see this is the ice. So here ice is, you know why it is covered with the ice? Because of the differences in the temperature. High altitude vapor melt as a ice, form as a ice. So here the mountains covered with the ice. So the differences in the temperature, slowly they will start melting. Then after melting it becomes as a water. Now because of the slope, the water will fall like this. So here the river started. The source of the river started on the mountain. Okay, like this it enter into the plain area. So here when the river is flowing like this, it is a continuous process, million years. Okay, so here the rock will, now I show this rock now. Actually you can see the rocks like this much surface is soft. No, hard surface we can see. But this rock, see how it became, it is a smooth rock. How it became like smooth? Which agent is made that smooth?
Don't know, ma'am.
Wind.
Okay.
And these rocks are, see here, this big rock is there now, mountain. They break into pieces. They break it not in 1 year or 2 years, million years. The process will take into million years. So the big rock break into small pieces. With the river, it will come to the oceans. Plain area where the river is flowing, like that with the water, the gravel, small pieces along with the river they will come. So this is the work of the river. Next one, wind. Next one, changes in the temperature. So here we can see the summer, very hot temperatures are there. Suppose the plateau areas we can see the rocks are there. This is about the mountain. Here because of the ice, because of the rain also hit, very hardly it will hit. Because of that rock will become weak, then it will break into pieces. With the rain water it is coming to the rivers. The pieces are coming into the rivers. Next one we will see, another one is agent. These are called the agents. Next one is temperature. We will see, we will take one big rock. Like this one rock is there. Okay, imagine one rock is there. So this rock exposed to temperature. It is exposed to temperature, continuously exposed to temperature, continuously exposed to temperature, daytime, summertime. When the temperature is more, the rock will expand. The rock will expand. When the night time, when the temperature is less time, it will contract. Means it will come to the close. We can't see these changes, but it will happen. So it takes million years. The process will take a million years. Now this rock will become weak. The rock will become weak and it get the cracks. It get the cracks. Anytime you saw any cracks on the rocks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can see. So here what happened is cracks afterwards. The mother rock, it make into small pieces. This gravel separated from the mother rock. This is the mother rock. From this parent rock, these pieces will separated. These pieces will separated and they will because of the wind pressure. Otherwise, when they are in the flow, river is there in their path, they will bring to the water will bring in the river. So this are coming and depositing here. This is the river now. Suppose like this river is there. So the gravel, what is the gravel? Small pieces. The river brought. Where they will deposit?
Bank, on the banks.
Bottom of the river. They will deposit the bottom of the river. This is the gravel brought. They deposited bottom of the. This is happened first year, 1 year. Next second year, same process. One more layer will come and deposit. Like this, it is taking million years. Okay, like this next year came the small it came. Now what happened here? Pressure is increased or not?
Yes.
Yes, the pressure is increased. They are compressing layer by layer. First year came one layer deposited. Next second year, next like years the layers are forming. They are compressed. They are compressed because of this pressure. They form one rock. They form one rock. That rock is called sedimentary rock. Now you understand the sedimentary rock, how it was formed? So because of the denudation process, the big rock, the cracking, it is getting the cracking, next is breaking down into small gravel, then it is brought by the rivers and deposited bottom of the river. Mostly we can see this sedimentary rocks, already I told also. Here, lower layer. In the earth we can see lower layer, and the oceanic current also we can see only lower layer. So here they will deposit in the oceans or in the rivers. They will deposit. This is the sandstone. Example of the sedimentary rock is the sandstone. Okay. So here now we see here the formation of the sedimentary rocks. Mechanically they divided organically and chemically. Mechanically means natural process. The formation of the sedimentary rock is a mechanically natural process. Now I told you this process is it natural or organically?
Naturally.
Natural process. This is the natural process. We can give the example soil. Small particle soil is there, no? It will take million years to form. From the rock to soil, it will take million years to form. Okay, that is mechanical, natural process. Next one is organically. Organically means here decay of the leaves. Dry leaves are there, no? Dry leaves, so when they are decayed and dead bodies of human or animals, they will also deposit in the layers of the sedimentary rocks. In the layers of the sedimentary rocks, so they are called organically formed. Here example we can see that coal, natural gas, fossil fuel we call as no that one, because they are formed with the decayed things. They are formed with the decayed things. Okay, like dry leaves, otherwise the dead animals, like this. Okay, next one we see the chemically formation. The sedimentary rocks are formed chemically. Suppose salt. Here example is the salt, potassium. We will take the ocean water for this best example. What happened ocean water? How it will evaporate?
With high temperature.
With that temperature, the water will evaporate. So why the ocean water is salty?
Because of salt in the ocean.
Salt in the ocean. River water is salty or ocean water is salty? salty?
Ocean water.
Ocean water. River water is we can use it, but ocean water we cannot use it. It more salty is there. The river water only joining in the ocean, no? Then how it became salty?
Because of the mineral present in the ocean.
So here what happened when the rivers are flowing and they are joining in the ocean? Okay, only water will evaporate. The salt remain there only. The salt remain in the ocean, bottom of the ocean. So the water is salty. So here that is the chemical process. Okay. Now the segment regards the formation mechanically, organically, chemically. How they form we discuss. Next one, see here these are the fossils, means dead decades. The example are coal, natural gas, petroleum. Chemically means salt and potassium. Now we go to third type of rock, that is called metamorphic rocks. That is called metamorphic rock. So here this Latin word metamorphism. Metamorphism means already you know one live example I will give you butterfly. The butterfly, how it will change?
From the caterpillar, it changes to butterfly.
How many stages you can see?
Around 7 stages.
7 stages. So if you will take any living organism, suppose any example birds, otherwise animals, same baby one also same features and elder also same features. When they grow in the size only, but here caterpillar when it is small it is same like a butterfly. No, in different stages it will change as a different. Means entirely it will change the form. Entirely it will change the form. So here metamorphism means change of the form. Change of the form. Rock entirely change. So here from the igneous and from the sedimentary rocks only these metamorphic rocks are forming. How they will form is because of the extreme heat and pressure. Extreme heat and pressure. What happened these rocks when they are going under the see here one volcanic activity and crust movement. See here crust you see, this is the crust, no? This crust is made with the plates. Major plates are there. They are called the tectonic plates. They are called the tectonic plates. So the plates they will have the 3 types of movement. Suppose I am giving example. Here one plate, this is one plate. Next this is one plate. They are coming like this. This movement is called, you have any idea no? Last year came?
Convergent.
Very good. Convergent movement. Next one plate is going like this, away from each other. They are moving away from each other. This type of movement is called
Divergent.
divergent. Next one more movement. The one plate is moving upward. Like this it is moving upward. One plate is moving downward like this. So here 3 types of movements are there. Now we will see here in this movement. What is this movement is called?
Tectonic plate movement.
I told 3 types of movement. No,
Convergent, divergent.
Okay, this is a convergent movement. In this convergent movement, what happened when the plates are coming closer to? No. So it takes million years. This movement. So when we cannot feel the movement of the plate also. Can you feel?
No.
We are standing on the plate only. No. Can you move?
No.
No. So it takes move very slowly. Very slowly the plates will move. Here when the one plate is moving like this, it is coming. This plate is coming like this. So it may be one plate go down of another plate like this. This plate is coming. This plate also coming like this. Sometimes suppose this plate is coming going to another plate down. You saw now here this plate. Now it is going down like this. It will go. This plate is like this. It is going. So here when we are going down here, what is there in the second layer?
Magma.
So here automatically what rocks are there? They also go to under the magma liquid form. Because of the high temperature and pressure, this they will form as a soft rock. They will form as a soft rock. Now the clay change as a slate. Clay change as a slate. construction of houses, when the foundation they start, so they will use the hard rocks like granites only. The foundation will start, and to construct the roads, construct the industries, they require the hard granite. It's support. So in the construction, heavy materials they use. Next one, agriculture. Now soil, without soil, this is one factor. Now to grow the agriculture, this is climate is one factor. Soil is one factor. Water is one factor. Okay, and inputs, seeds also one factor. Major one is soil. Suppose soil is not there, can you grow the crops?
No.
This soil from where you are getting?
From rocks.
From rocks only. From the rocks I told that denudation process now. It takes million years to form the big rock into soil, small particles. This is soil, small particles now. So in agriculture the soil takes a major part. Next one, valuable gems and the diamonds. So the rich people they will wear diamonds now and gems also. So this also one type of the rock only. This also one type of the rock. So these valuable gems, diamonds, where you available in which continent they are famous, you can find it. Next one, we have the source of the chemicals. We are using chemicals now. These chemicals also coming from the rocks only. Potassium, these chemicals. Example is potassium, magnesium. These chemicals they will use in the factories. They prepare. Next one, fertilizers. Fertilizers companies also they will use the chemicals. Okay. Now clear no this one?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll summarize. So today we discuss the topic of types of the rocks. How many types are there?
3 types.
What are they?
Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks.
Next one. The rocks, the formation of 3 rocks is there?
No.
Which one first to form?
Igneous.
Igneous. Next second one is?
Sedimentary.
Next one is?
Metamorphic.
Why these igneous rocks are called primary rocks?
Because they are formed first.
So from that sedimentary and the metamorphic was formed. Okay. Next this one, igneous rocks are 2 types. What are the 2 types?
Intrusive and extrusive.
Okay. Which rock is formed outside?
Extrusive.
Which rock will form inside?
Intrusive.
How you know the rocks are there inside earth?
By digging them.
Why will dig?
Geologists dig the earth to
Suppose
find.
any construction is going on any side. Okay. They will dig earth, no? They will find out big rocks. So like that we come to know inside also rocks are there. Impressive rocks they form. Very hard rocks are there. We can come to know that one. Next one, I show the examples of how they are hard and where they are using. Next one, sedimentary rocks. How they form formation? Mechanically,
Organically and chemically.
so denudation process. This denudation process we discuss, and what are the agents we discuss, and how they are breaking big rock into small gravel, and what is the agent to transport. Here river is the agent, transportation from one place to another place transport. Then they will settle one by one layer. Then they compress, they form a rock. That is the sedimentary rocks. Next one is fossils. What are the examples for the fossils?
Petrol, natural gas, coal.
Very good. Coal. These are the examples. Next one, chemically, sedimentary rocks. What are the examples for chemically sedimentary rocks?
Salt.
Potassium, magnesium. These all come under the chemically formation of the sedimentary rocks. Last one is
Metamorphic rocks.
Okay. These are also because of the extreme heat and pressure they are forming because of the volcanic eruption, otherwise the crust activity. I told here. So here remain in the place of the origin. They won't move. Where they are there, suppose sedimentary rocks are there. They are moving now. How they are moving? Because of the river. Otherwise the wind also agent to move. Okay, wind or the river, they are moving. But they are where they form, there only they will origin will take out. Will take the earth, will take out. Next one, they are tasks are there, no? In chapters is there. Here we can see some small gaps. Empty space is there in this. But here we cannot see no empty space. Marble is the example. Next one, we discuss about the uses of the rocks also, where they are used in the rocks, in the construction, in the agriculture, and the valuable in the jewelry. This will be used in the jewelry making now. Jewelry making. Next one, source of the temple. So many industries depend on the rocks. So many industries depend on the rock material. And here you collect the information about, suppose I told the sedimentary rocks, sandstone is there, redstone is there, and here marble is there, granite is there. So many monuments Mughals constructed now. Any other rulers they constructed by using these rocks. So suppose Red Fort already we discussed, Taj Mahal we discussed. Taj Mahal is made with what
Marble.
Marble. This Red Fort?
Redstone.
Redstone, very good. So like that two monuments already you know. Remaining monuments, if any is there, they built with the granite, otherwise with the redstone or otherwise with the marble, you collect the information. That is the task of the day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.